Rozzie. Welcome to Code Fun. It's good to see you. Come on, let's sing. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pēhea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi! Digi? Digi! Where are you? Come on out, Digi. Oh, gee, I wonder where Digi is.
Kia ora.
Wait. What? If you're there, Digi, then who's in the box? Oh no. Fluffy? I think it's the neighbour's cat.
Oh, where? What happened to the cat?
No, Digi, that's not the neighbour's cat. That's a box. The cat is under the box.
Ah.
Oh, don't worry, Digi. I've got this. Back soon.
Okay, see you soon. Kia ora, it's me, Digi the robot. It's great to see you. Huh? Oh. Kia ora.
Kia ora, Digi. I need help. Can you help me, please?
Oh, where? I can try to help Hooria, but I'm a robot. And robots like me need to be told what to do. Maybe you could help me sort out the problem and help Hooria. Let's do it.
So my problem is that I want to make myself a sandwich. I have everything I need, but I don't know where to start.
Oh, where? It looks like Hooria really needs our help. We need to give her some instructions, a set of steps to follow so she can make a sandwich. Let's see some pictures to help us sort it out. First is a picture of some delicious fillings. There's tomato, lettuce and cheese, tino reka. Then there's butter, a slice of bread and another slice of bread. These are the 4 pictures that need to be put in order so that Hooria can make a sandwich. So what would happen if we gave these steps to Hooria to follow? In the order they're in now. Me titero taua. Yay, yikes! What a mess! The fillings are underneath the 2 slices of bread instead of in between them like a sandwich. Something is wrong with the instructions. They need to be debugged. When you try to do something and it all goes wrong, oh wait, listen and remember the words in this song. You gotta stop, think, debug it. Try to do what you're doing in a different way. You'll be smiling at the end of the day. You gotta stop, think, debug it. Whoa! Away! Look closely, my friend. What do we put first before the fillings? That's right. If we move one of those pieces of bread and put it before the butter and the fillings, that order will keep the fillings inside the sandwich. So if we told Hooria to follow these instructions, she would take a slice of bread, butter it, then add her delicious fillings, and then put a piece of bread on top. Do those instructions look right to you? Ka pai. Time to find out if the instructions work.
Kia ora, Digi.
Hi, Hooria. Are you ready to make a sandwich?
I'm ready, Digi.
Step 1. Put one piece of bread on the bottom. Step 2. Carefully spread butter on that piece of bread. Step 3. Add your fillings. Tino pai e hoa. Step 4. Put one piece of bread on top.
I did it. I made a sandwich. And I did it all by myself. Thanks, Digi. Ka kite.
We did it! Thanks for your help, e hoa. Me maumahara. If you try to do something and it all goes wrong, stop, think, and debug it. Huh? Hey, that's my lunch. Come back here, sandwich.
Oh, hi there. This is an instrument that comes from Hawaii. In Hawaii, it's called an ukulele, but you might call it a ukulele. I know a really fun game we can play with this ukulele. Come on, E14, stand up. Find a clear space with lots of room. Okay, here are the instructions. If you hear this, then you need to hula to your right, like this. And if you hear this, then you need to hula to your left, like this. And if you hear this one, then you need to hula around in a circle. Have you got it? Great! We're ready to play the game. Oh, hi, Digi.
Whakarongo.
Oh, Digi's reminding us that we need to listen carefully so we know which way to go. Thanks, Digi. Okay, here we go. Hula to your right. Are you moving your robot arms and robot legs? Cool. To your left. Around in a circle. That was fun. You're really good at following instructions, just like a robot. See ya! Code Fun! We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. It was great hanging out with you. But now it's time to say goodbye. Hey, Digi. Oh, Digi's come to say goodbye too.
Hey, Rozzie. I've come to join in.
Come on. Me waiata tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai ano, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō e hoa. See you again next time.
Ka kite.